Friends, in this video, I will show how to fix Windows 11 can't find wt.exe problem. So to resolve this problem, click on Start. Now here click on the Settings. Then here Apps. Click on Installed Apps. Search here Terminal. Click on these three dots. Then Uninstall. Now close it. Again click on Start. Now search here Store. Open Microsoft Store. Now search here Terminal. Select Windows Terminal. Click on Get. Now once you done, click on Open. So you will see terminal is working properly. And make sure you turn on terminal settings. So settings. Now here click on apps. Now here click on advanced app settings. Click on app execution. And make sure terminal is turned on, this one. Select the setting to on. So thanks for watching and share, like and subscribe this channel.